Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hi Colorado, this is Clete Crocker from Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom. I'm in Thornton, Colorado today in one of our largest stores. I want to talk to you a little bit about cooking today. I'm getting this question a lot. You know, it is middle of November right now. We got Thanksgiving coming up. We got Christmas coming right after that. Clete, should I wait till Black Friday to buy my range? The answer is absolutely no. There's 2 reasons that you wouldn't want to do that. First one, by Black Friday, we're probably going to be out of all the ranges. Every appliance dealer will. The manufacturing is having such difficulty producing appliances through their factories right now because of COVID that first come is the people are going to get the appliance. If you wait, they'll probably be out of stock. They'll still sell you one on Black Friday, but it won't come in until probably the second quarter of next year. So get in now. All of the Black Friday pricing is already done. Another thing that you want to consider between now and the holidays is when you're going to have guests come over. If you're having anybody come over, I guess it's kind of different since we're talking about COVID, but a lot of folks, they make the mistake of using their self-clean on their ranges and their wall ovens right, like the night before the holiday cooking starts. You don't want to do that. In all fairness, the hottest the range gets is when we've got the self-clean feature on. That's when it's most susceptible to any kind of damage at any point in its lifetime. So when do you want to do self-cleaning? Is it safe to do it? Yeah, I'd say it's safe 99.9% of the time. But I've seen a lot of people at that 0.1, they'll come in on Black Friday and say, oh, my old control panel went out. I need another range tonight, and it's not going to happen. So what you want to do, if you want to get in front of this, do your self-cleaning now. And that way, if you have an issue with your range, you have plenty of time to get it taken care of. So again, don't wait, and don't wait on cleaning it.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.